Hello and welcome to Simple-ESL, the simple way to learn English. And in today's lesson, we are going to be looking at the present simple with be. This is going to also use I, you, and we in both positive and negative forms. We're going to introduce ourselves and others, and we're going to say where we are from. Now, in this lesson, it is aimed at a beginner level, an A1 level. And if you'd like some practice, there are lessons and worksheets available in the QR code. As I say, we are going to use the present simple with be, talking about I, you, and we. So let's get started. Now, we have done some grammar lessons before on the channel, so why not check out these videos? But here is the basic structure when we're using the present simple. I am happy. He, she, it is happy. You, we, they are happy. Now, if it's negative, something we're not, we add not. I am not happy. She is not happy. We are not happy. We're not happy, we're sad. Now let's take a look at these positive sentences. So for I am, or the shortened version, I'm. So we can contract I am to I'm from Spain. You are from Brazil. We can contract this. You're from Brazil. Get rid of the A, add an apostrophe. You are from Brazil. Okay. And we are from Italy. Or we're from Italy. We can contract this, get rid of the A, add in an apostrophe. We're from Italy. Native English speakers like to use contractions to shorten. We're quite lazy with our speech, so if we can say it quicker, we will. I'm from Spain instead of I am from Spain. Little bit shorter. Shows a good level of understanding with English. Now, if it's negative, we can do a number of different things here. So I am not from Germany. Or, get rid of the A, I'm not from Germany. I'm from England. I'm not from Germany. Now with contractions, with negatives for you and we have a choice. We can contract you are, or we can contract are not. Let's take a look at this. You are, you are not, you're not from Japan. This is contracting you are. Now, what if we contracted are not? We can say you aren't. In the same way, we can go you aren't, and we take away the O, put an apostrophe, you aren't from Japan. Let's try that with we. So we can say we are not, we're not from Canada. Let's contract are not. aren't. Get rid of the O, add in the apostrophe. We aren't from Canada. So there's two ways we can contract, and a great way to practice this will be using the worksheets that are put in the presentation through the QR code and on our Patreon page. Let's fill in the blanks. I want positive sentence. I'm from Mexico. What goes here? I am from Mexico. You, my friend, we want it to be positive. You are my friend. Let's try we. What are we? We're learning. We students. We are students. Now, I'd like us to build some sentences here. I want us to create positive sentences using the words you from France. You from France? What could we say? You are from France. Brilliant. Let's try the next one. We, teachers. Create a positive sentence. What do we need? We, teachers. We are teachers. We are teachers. I, a student. What do we need? I, a student. I am. I am a student. Let's go again. This time, negative. Turn this sentence into a negative sentence. I am happy. I am not happy. We add not. I am not happy. You are tired. So if you're awake, you are tired. You are not tired. And if we contract that, you're not tired or you aren't tired. So we have three options there. Let's try we are in the classroom. Negative. We are not in the classroom. We're not in the classroom. We aren't in the classroom. So we can take are not and contract aren't, or we are, we're. Important to remember when making shorter words, contracting the statement. Answer this question using the correct form of be. Are you a student? What could your answer be? Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Or I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are we in the park? Yes or no? How are you going to answer? Are we in the park? Yes, we are. No, we are not. We can have we're not, or let's get a brighter pen so you can see this. No, we aren't. No, we are not. No, we're not. No, we aren't. Now, in this lesson, we focused on using present simple form and a lot of focus on contractions, making negative contractions. We did this by practicing filling in blanks, forming sentences, and making positive and negative statements. If you would like more practice, why not use the QR code and try some of our worksheets and other lessons on our Patreon page. But until the next lesson, I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll speak to you soon.